Good morning, student. So today we are going to learn the operation on matrices. How the matrices are operated. First is your addition. Suppose if you are given two matrices, that is 2, 3, 0, 1, and I am writing -1, 0, 2 and 3. How can you add these matrices? So before adding, you must first check the order must be equal. Okay. So both the matrix, your order must be equal. So 2, 3, 0, 1 plus -1, 0, 2, 3. So what will be the resultant matrices? So 2 will be added with -1, 1. 3 plus 0 will be 3. 0 plus 2 will be 2. 1 plus 3 is the 4. So this is the addition output of the two matrices. Okay. Second is your multiplication of a matrix by a scalar quantity. Suppose if you are having a matrix, I am writing a simple 2, suppose I am writing this way. This is 2 into 3 matrix, and here if I write 3a, that means this is the scalar part. Okay. So if I write 3a, that means what? 3 will be multiplying the matrix A. That means 3 must be multiplying with each and every element present inside the matrix A. 6, 9, 6, 0, 3, 9. So this is known as what? Multiplication of matrix by scalar. Third is negative of a matrix. That means what? Suppose if I am writing a matrix 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3 with order 2 into 3. Negative means minus a. That means your matrix will be, suppose 1, 2, minus 3. Okay. That means you are multiplying with your scalar -1. Next is difference between two matrices. Suppose if I am having a matrix 2, -1, 0, 2 with order 2 by 2 and B matrix 2, -5, 6, 0. So we are asked to find the difference between the two matrices, is not it? So what will be the output? 2 minus 2 will be 0, -1 minus 5 will be +5. So -1 plus 5 will be 4. 0 minus 6 will be -6, 2 minus 0 will be 2. So this is the subtraction or difference between two matrices. So these are the 4 operations we can do in a matrix. Okay, next is your fifth is your multiplication of two matrices. So next is the multiplication between two matrices. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 2 by 2. And I am writing 2, 3, 1, -1, 0, 2. 2 into 3. Okay. So if you take any two matrices and you are asked to find the multiplication, first you have to do one thing. Always when you are given two matrices and you are asked to do the multiplication, always you have to check the number of column of your first matrix must be equal to number of rows. So first condition, always you have to see number of rows of number of columns of your first matrix must always be equal to number of rows of your second matrix. This is the first condition always you have to check. And the resultant matrix that after multiplying, how will the matrix will look like? That means how many rows and how many columns will be there. How you will know? Their order will be number of rows of your first matrix into number of columns of your second matrix. That means if I am taking this two matrix, that is A cross B, so what will be the final order? That is 2 cross 3. So if you see, after multiplying, you will have 2 rows and 3 column. Okay, so how you are writing 2 rows and 3 column is, we will write the element as like this: A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. That is, you can see 2 rows and 3 column, is not it? So this is 1 1 means first row first column, this is first row second column, first row third column, this is second row first column, this is second row second column, this is second row third column. So if you write the notation, it will be easy for you to multiply the matrix. So A11 means first row you have to multiply with what? First column. So how you will write here? A cross B. First row means this part, first row means this part, you have to multiply with this part. That means first element should be multiplied with first element, and second element you have to multiply with your second element. So 1 into 2 plus 2 into minus 1. This will be your A11. Next A12. So row will be same. Now you have to multiply the column. That is 1 into 3 plus 2 into 0. Next 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2. Next is A21. That is second row. This part you have to multiply with first column. So 3 into 2 plus 4 into minus 1. 3 into 3 plus 4 into 0. So 3 into 1 plus 4 into 2. Okay. That means 2 minus 2, 3 plus 0, 1 plus 4, 6 minus 4, 9 plus 0, 3 plus 8. So what is the output here now? 0, 3, 5, 2, 9, 11. So if you see here, 2 rows and 3 columns. So this is the multiplication we can do in terms of 2 matrices. So what I told you, so number of column must be equal to number of rows. That you have to see. If it is different, then you cannot multiply the matrix. Then the final ordered matrix will be number of rows into number of columns of your second matrix. So if you write the notation, then it will be easy for you to multiply which element or of a row must be multiplied to which column of your matrix. And the last is your division. Suppose if I write A equal to 2 1 0 minus 1 and B I am writing 1 1 1 1, and I am telling you to divide. That is 2 1 0 minus 1, you have to divide with 1 1 1 1. So this 2 must be divided by 1, 2, 1 will be 1, 0 by 1 will be 0, and minus 1 by 1 will be minus 1. So this is the division operation of a matrix. So these are the 6 important operations we can do in a matrix. Thank you.